here. So I thought I would share with you what Dan and I are sending to all of our friends this year. So last year we sent everybody Bourbon Cherries, which we got some pretty good responses on, so I'm thrilled with that. And I had enough cute decorative little labels and stuff left over, so I'm making everybody Bourbon Cherries this year with a slight twist. They will be vanilla Bourbon Cherries. I know, crazy. So I figured I'd share with you how to make them. So Dan and I have already gone and sanitized all the mason jars. We also went ahead and pitted the cherries and washed them. So the cherries are from 21 Bricks. We picked them in around July timeframe, and we froze them and then let them thaw and put them in the jars. So in the jars already are the pitted cherries and then about half bourbon. So the bourbon that we use, because these are going to be soaked, we didn't do anything really expensive. So took about, these are 24 jars, so it took one whole guy and a little bit of this one to fill all of these. And then what I made on the stove, which is right here, is our vanilla simple syrup. So I think for the amount of mason jars that I have here, we'll have enough, but if not, I can always make more. So it's equal parts sugar, equal parts water. And since white table sugar is not the best for you, we have used stevia as an alternate sugar supplement. So it's half a cup of sugar for half a cup of water, let that dissolve over medium heat, and then 2 teaspoons of vanilla. But for how many we were making, what I did was 6 cups stevia, 6 cups water, and 8 tablespoons of vanilla extract. And what I have here is a homemade vanilla extract that my mother made last year for Christmas for her Christmas gift. So not saying that you have to start doing homemade Christmas gifts, but it's a really nice touch. Sometimes it can be slightly more inexpensive than trying to customize gifts for everybody. And if you're not doing homemade, always try and shop local as much as possible. So now what I'm going to do here is just fill the rest of this up with the vanilla. Going to put on the mason jar lid here, make sure it's on nice and tight, give it a little shake, and that's it. Now, these can stay on your bar top for about 6 months, with 3 to 6 months, give or take how much you're opening it, without being refrigerated. Now, if you refrigerate these guys though, whole year they'll last in your fridge. So it's great for when you've got the occasional person over that you want to make a fancy cocktail for, or a nice little bar topper just to keep out for whoever. So I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you want to see more homemade recipes and gift products that you might give to friends for birthdays, Christmases, things like that. And yeah, comment below and have a great day.